Have you ever wondered how to duplicate your favorite food plants? How to have a garden filled with your preferred herbs, fruits, and vegetables, all from a single parent plant? Well, the magic lies in a process known as plant propagation, specifically through cuttings. In the world of botany, a cutting is a piece of a plant that is used in horticulture for vegetative propagation. It's a fragment of the plant that regrows into a whole plant. Sounds fascinating, doesn't it? Let's delve into the process a bit more. The first step in this green thumb journey is choosing the right plant. It's important to remember that not all plants propagate well from cuttings. Some of the best candidates include rosemary, thyme, mint, and tomatoes. Once you've selected your plant, the next step is to take your cutting. This process involves removing a small section of the plant, usually a stem or a leaf. The best time to do this is in the early morning when the plant is fully hydrated. Cut a healthy stem or leaf from your chosen plant, ideally around 4 to 6 inches long. Clip just below where a leaf joins the stem, known as a node. This is where new roots will sprout. Now comes the part you've been waiting for, the rooting phase. This is where your cutting will start to grow its own roots. To kickstart this process, dip the cut end of your plant into a rooting hormone. This isn't mandatory, but it does help to stimulate root growth. Next, place your cutting into a pot filled with well-draining soil. Make sure to keep the soil moist, but not waterlogged. It's crucial to provide a suitable environment for the cutting to grow. Some cuttings prefer a humid environment, so you might consider covering the pot with a plastic bag to create a mini greenhouse. Patience is key in this endeavor. The rooting process can take anywhere from a couple of weeks to a few months. Over time, you'll start to see new growth on your cutting. This is a sign that it has established roots and is ready to be transplanted to a larger pot or directly into your garden. To sum up, duplicating food plants is a simple yet rewarding process. It starts with selecting a suitable plant, taking a cutting, and then nurturing it through the rooting phase. With a little patience, you'll soon have a garden filled with your favorite food plants, all from a single parent plant. So the next time you're enjoying the flavors of your homegrown herbs or the sweetness of your own tomatoes, remember the wonder of plant propagation. It's a bit of magic right at your fingertips and a testament to the incredible world of nature that surrounds us.